Good morning everybody, my name is Rutosha and my group member, her name is Shweta Rao. We are a student of Mechanical Branch Semester 4.
Our project is an auto roti maker. This is a refurbishment project. In this prototype, we have used rolling pins, rotating plate which is motorized by an electric AC motor, capacitors as well as speed regulators to help with monitoring the speed of the motor. The design of this machine is very simple and easy to use. We can create perfect rotis with the help of this machine.
In this project, we give a power supply to the motor and motor give a power supply to rotating plate. First of all, we place roti's dough on rotating plate and then place rolling pin on it, and after this we start machine.
The pressure exerted by the rolling pin against the rotating plate will help us create circular rotis. The capacitors as well as the speed regulators placed in this machine will help us monitor and control the speed of the motor. By this procedure, we are able to create perfectly circular rotis. The efficiency of this roti maker is higher on a bigger scale. Here are some future scopes of this machine. We can make this machine into a multifunctional by introducing induction cooking plates instead of rotating plate to cook the rotis.
We can introduce advanced safety features like enhanced sensors, digital screening, and efficient speed monitor. We can make a machine more energy efficient to reduce the power consumption. Here is our basic information about our roti maker machine.